Millions of borrowers are at risk of having their benefits or wages garnished after the latest move by the Trump administration. Collections resume today on defaulted federal student loans. According to the federal student aid website, about 1.4 million Michiganders have federal student loan debt. That's about $51.6 billion in loans. Today, the Trump administration is restarting collection of defaulted federal student loans.
You can't just say, well, I think that'll all work itself out.
Collection of defaulted federal student loans resumes today after a 5-year pause related to the pandemic. Defaulting usually means missing payments for 270 days or more. The government says that now can lead to garnishment of state or federal benefits. It says it'll start garnishing wages this summer.
If your debt gets sent to collections, that goes onto your credit report, and that can impact your ability to get an apartment, a mortgage, a car loan, even some employer's check.
The Department of Education estimates about 5 million borrowers have defaulted on student loans. An additional 4 million borrowers have loans that are in the late stage of delinquency, meaning they are 90 to 180 days past due and nearing default.
Immediately call the Department of Education and arrange a repayment plan, or whoever your provider, your loan provider is. You should do that, and before they contact you or make aggressive arrangements to garnish your wages. Be progressive about this whole thing. You need to, because young people don't often understand how that can affect bad credit.
Experts suggest all borrowers visit their loan provider's website to confirm their status and update their contact information. If a person is worried about defaulting, experts say they could look into an income-based repayment plan, payment pauses called deferment or forbearance, or consolidation or refinancing. The DOE says a person with a defaulted loan can learn their options through the Student Aid Office's Default Resolution Group. They might be able to restore their status through a process called rehabilitation.
You have to make the arrangements, and they'll ask you what is your ability to pay. So while it's in that process, or they're being lenient in that regard, I tell families to contact the Department of Ed or your service provider. But remember, you're still going to have to pay it.
Borrowers will be notified by email that their loans are entering involuntary collections unless they start making payments or enroll in an education department forbearance or deferment program.